Creating custom post types in WordPress allows you to organize and display different types of content beyond the standard posts and pages. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create custom types in WordPress. So here are some comprehensive guides to help you create custom post types and understand WordPress taxonomies. So right now, install. You can undergo all this process by just simply using a plugin. So right now, I'm going to show you how to go about that. So the first thing is go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to plugins, add a new, search for custom plugins, which type UI and click on install now. Once you type URL, then install the plugin, which is the name of the plugin's type, post type URL. So once you install it, click on activate, then create a new custom post type. Go to CPT UI, add or edit post types, fill in the necessary field as such post you want, then type on slug, plural label and single label. Once you do that, configure the additional settings as needed, then click add post types. Again, create a new custom post type. Go to CPT UI, then add or edit post types. If you have to add a type, no problem. Or if you already had the types, or you want to edit or add, just make sure you add to post types, then fill in the necessary fields such as the post types, slug, the plural labels and the singular labels. Once you do that, then configure the additional settings as needed, then click on add post types, and that is how to create custom post types in WordPress. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more.